Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. This is a series of short videos on single problems which has appeared in GATE. Okay, so now in this series we will see problem 3. Okay, now for the basics of acceleration, you can see the card over on the top right corner of the of your screen. You can see the link to the previous video where we have done acceleration. Okay. Now the question, this one which has appeared in GATE XE 2011, goes like this. A fluid with a volumetric flow rate of 5 meter cube per second enters the nozzle shown below. The cross-sectional areas varies with x as ax is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Assuming that the flow is parallel and is uniform in each cross-section and the acceleration at any point in the nozzle is given by. This is the question. Now let us solve this question. Okay. So now first of all, we have to understand here that what is the cross-sectional area, how does it vary. Now if I see a of x varies as 1 by 1 plus x square, and we know that from continuity equation q, that is volume flow rate in meter cube per second, is a into v. So now a is given as 1 by x square and q is given as 5. That means my velocity will be equal to q divided by a, and q is given as 5 meters square per second and a is given as 1 by 1 plus x square. So this becomes 1 plus x square. This is the main catch here. Once we do this, then the other things will be done. So now once we do this, next what happens is we have to find out the acceleration at any point in the nozzle. Now here observe, it has been given that it should be parallel and uniform at each cross section. Now when it is parallel like this, it is a one-dimensional flow. That means V is actually equal to Ui, which is equal to 5 into 1 plus x square into I. Now once this is given, we can find out the acceleration easily. Now the acceleration is given as ax is given as dou u by dou t, which is going to be 0 because there is no time dependent term here. So this has to go to 0, plus u into dou u by dou x. There is no v here, correct? So what is u? U is 1 into 1 plus 1 plus x square, correct? 1 plus x square. And what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is 10 into x, correct? So the answer what I get, sorry, it is 10 into x. 10 into x. So the answer is 50x into 1 plus x square, or it is 50x plus x cube, correct? So 50x plus x cube will come as 50x plus x cube. Answer is A. Thank you very much, students.